Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can create this beautiful image in the help of Gemini and GIMP photo manipulating software. So the GIMP is a photo manipulating software. So I have composed this image with the help of GIMP and Gemini. So let's start. Welcome back. To do this, at first I have to download some image in the Gemini. So first open the Gemini from here, and I have to upload some image as a reference which I really want. So this image from Bhutan, this image actually in the Bhutan, this image I have downloaded two images as a reference, and I want to upload it two images as a reference and order the Gemini, please. I have already attached two images here, and I want to combine two images. This is my prompt engineering. You have to prompt to order the AI model, the Gemini. Last, I want same image in night, and place should be lighting in night, and I have uploaded the reference images. Scene should be looks nice and beautiful, and no text added. Don't add any text and hit on enter button, because sometimes Gemini adds some text here, so I really don't need any text from here. So after a few times, automatically generated a few images. This is the generated image, because I don't need, and you should download this one in your local disk. I have already downloaded this one, so you can see here. Yes, this is I have already downloaded, and this image I have already made few minutes ago before making this video. So to show you how you can create this image. So this I like this image. So this image, this is generated, and I have this image I have already made before making this video. This is the same image I have uploaded in the Gemini and saved this file before start my work. So you can see here the left top button, something is problematic. A whitish color is to set the clone tool. Select this clone tool and fill this just like a sky. Now it is okay. You can see now it is looks like okay, and so you can see here. Now I want to need a woman are watching a beautiful nature scene. I want to woman image. This image I have selected. So download from internet. This is only for educational purpose. You should don't use this such kind of image, because this image is a copyright image. So for educational purpose, I want to showing you how you can do this. So at first I want to scale it down these images. To do that, I selected this transform button, Shift T in GIMP. So you can find the same tools in Photoshop or any kind of photo manipulating software. Scale it down. So now I want to remove the busy. To do that, add a layer mask and white. Select the white full opacity and add here. So now select this layer, this image layer, and select the path tools and create and I want to block this character only. So at first I block this character, and This is a white color to full opacity, and first I block the character, invert the selection, and then I will fill with black color in background to make the background fully transparent. So this process anybody can separate the character from background. So to do that, this is the process. I had blocked the character. So this is the rough idea how you can do this work. So keep some time, finish your work as good as possible, as best as possible. So select this one, select, and feather. I want to add the feather edge. So feather edge and select invert, because I want to remove. Now select this layer image, this layer, this one. This is the image layer, this is the mask layer. Select this mask layer, the mask layer. I want to remove, get rid of the BG. To do that, select the black color and fill on the bus. Easy. This is easy. This is easily you can do this work and deselect the selection. And now this is some problematic. I have this white color appear. To finish this work, I have select the paint tool and paint on here, so to disappear the white color. So white color, so now I want to set these images, just set this image just color grade, not actually color grade. I want to set this image just real image on this in the night scene, because this image taken in the daylight, but I want to turn this image just like looks like taken from a night scene. So to do this, first I have choose the label and then curve to make the image dark, and scale down the highlight on the skin area. I have choose the curve. You can see here the skin area very highlight, looks very highlight. Now it looks like it's taken from last evening in the dark night scene shooting. So again I have choose the label and I turn this image into bluish color, because this image taken in the dark night scene, because my background scene is like say a bluish color, because this images shoot in the black. To showing these images in the dark night, make a layer in blue color. So again I turn this image as black, more darkest. Now it looks good. It looks. Adjust these images as your requirement, hit enter, and now I want to apply this image. If you are happy, then you apply this mask image, right click and apply this layer mask. Okay, so now I am happy. This is only education purpose, just rough idea. Now I want to add the text. So now I want to scale it down again, because it is to do that, choose the transform tools from here, scale it down, move here and transform. Okay, hit on the transfer button. So this is I have already set a character. You can see here, transform, hit again. Oh, it looks, you can see here, this one, this means now I want to, this is the character. Now I want to add the text, the Bhutan text here, and set it just behind the hill. This one hill, you can see the dark outline from foreground, and some hills is just behind the look from far away. So you can see here, so Bhutan, set the text color in white and scale it down. Now I want to set the Bhutan text just behind the hill. You can see the hill, the dark color, very dark color. One hill is just dark blue. So to do that, duplicate this, the background image, this one, this background is image, and add a layer marks. The first, the upper background image, I have already added layer marks, because and select the path tool and block the hill, the location that I want to keep this location in front of this text. So this area I really want to set this location in front of Bhutan. So to do this, selection, keep selection and selection, and set the feather. You can set the 2, 3 or 5, but not greater than 5, so it doesn't matter. So set it to. So now I want to apply this layer marks. So after applying this marks, I fill it, so it automatically remove the sky area. So now I want to deselect this one. Now I want to set this text just down. Now you can see here, this is the process that I have already composed this image in GIMP, and I have generated this. I have generated this image in Gemini. So with the help of Gemini and GIMP, I make a very good, beautiful image here. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, hit on bell button to get early release new video. Thanks for watching. Safe planet. Bye bye.